What's new in EndNote X4? 22 years ago, we introduced you to the idea of bibliographies made easy. Today, Thomson Reuters EndNote would like to introduce you to importing PDF files or folders full of PDF files, creating groups from other groups, the Quick Edit screen, improved footnote formatting with customizable short forms, improved APA 6th style compatibility, a combined edit and manage citations command, hyperlinks between in-text citations and related references in the bibliography, the continuing evolution of EndNote Web. You can now import a single PDF file by selecting Import under the File menu, then setting the Import option to PDF. EndNote will look for a Digital Object Identifier, DOI, in the PDF document, consult Crossref to resolve the DOI, obtain the bibliographic information, import the information into your library, and attach the PDF file to the record. You can also import an entire folder of PDFs at once by selecting the Folder option during the import. PDF files must be publisher created to import. Scanned documents saved in the PDF format do not contain the information necessary for data retrieval. You can now create groups from other groups already present in your library. For example, I would like to see which references in my Chiroptera group are also in my echolocation group. I select the option to create from groups in the Groups menu, name my new group, and build my search. EndNote creates the group and gives it a special icon to differentiate it from other custom or smart groups in my library. Quick Edit, located in the Tab pane, allows you to edit a record selected in your EndNote library without having to open the record. You still have the power features you are used to in the traditional Edit Citation window, such as EndNote auto-entering text in the author, periodical, or keywords fields as you type. When you click outside the Quick Edit window, EndNote asks if you want to save the changes. Footnote styles require very complete information the first time a source is cited, but far less information when the same source is cited again. How much information is required for these repeated footnote citations varies with the style and the reference type. Until now, there were limited options for formatting these repeated citations, but in EndNote X4 it is possible to select exactly which fields will be included for each reference type and how each of those fields will be formatted, just as for the initial citation. Here is a bibliography in the APA 5th edition style. The 6th edition of the APA manual had many changes, including a requirement that an ellipsis be used between the names of the 6th and the last author for articles having more than 7 authors. Previous versions of EndNote were unable to include this ellipsis. Here you see the bibliography formatted with the APA 6th style in EndNote X4, with the necessary ellipsis. The Combined Edit and Manage Citations command now consolidates several of the most frequently used features in one Cite While You Write command window. For example, along with being able to add page numbers or other text, or remove an author's name from a citation, you can now also access the Format Bibliography command to change the style or line spacing, all from within Edit and Manage Citations. For online publishing, it is often helpful to hyperlink the citations to their related references in the bibliography, allowing the reader to simply click on a citation hyperlink and see the details for the reference. EndNote can now create such hyperlinks automatically through a setting in the Format Bibliography command. These hyperlinks will also carry over to the PDF when using the built-in Publish feature in Word 2007. EndNote's EndNote web features continue to evolve, with new features added even between major EndNote releases. A recent favorite is the ability to capture reference information about a web page using the Capture button on the EndNote web toolbar, available for both Internet Explorer and Firefox. The information captured will be displayed in a data entry screen so that you can edit as needed. After making your changes, you have the option of sending the reference to either your EndNote or EndNote web library. Keep an eye out for more new EndNote web features for EndNote users during the coming year. This concludes the review of the hottest new features in EndNote X4. You can learn about more new features and download a free 30-day trial to begin using EndNote at www.endnote.com. Additional EndNote tutorials are available to show you just how easy it is to organize references and related material with EndNote. You might also enjoy following EndNote on Facebook and Twitter.